Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? What's the best affiliate marketing program in biz in 2020? What is the opportunity to join in 2020? It has upfront commissions, great training to make sales, great side hustle money, easy to start if you take action. Don't need to have a website or experience. You don't need to have a degree in marketing or experience in sales. You just need to be coachable and an action taker. Email marketing system or email process, really email processing system. It's email processing system. I've been thinking about marketing so much. That's okay. Email processing system. So learn how to build a brand on what you're going to learn. The email processing system is learning how to build a brand online, learn how to make money on Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, earn up to $100 learn at the $100 level. Exclusive training has made over $10,000 online. I can teach you how to make $100 a day. 3 levels are 25, 50, and 100. And the best level to join is $100, so you don't have to pay. You don't have to pay over $175. So, like, in other words, if you join at the $25 level, then you gotta pay the $50. So that's 25 plus 50, right? And then you have to pay another $100. So you're paying more than that one-time payment if you join at each level, actually. So, because that would be 25 plus 50, which is 75. And then you have to join at the $100 level. So you're investing. If you're joining at the $25 level, which is fine, some people can't afford that. Then you'll be making an investment of $175 if you join at every level. Unless you go from like 25 to 100, and you stack it right up, or 50 to 100 or whatever. But yeah, the $100 level is the best level to play at. Go to bit.ly/emailingfreedom. And proof payments on the next live. So this is a $50 payment that I got, right? And this is something that I bought. It's called something I bought, alignment with the spirit. But yeah, so $50 and great investment. You get paid. You get a training that you can get paid for over and over and over. I can tell you, because I made over $2,000 last year with a master class that I made one time. So there's definite value in this. Make sure you sign up at bit.ly/emailingfreedom, bit.ly/emailingfreedom to learn what levels you can go to. And buy at the level that's the most appropriate for you. But go to this website right here and sign up.